Okay, I'm inside Nang Saigon Vietnamese restaurant here in the annex on Bloor Street. It used to be my favorite restaurant, country style Hungarian restaurant. So now we have Vietnamese that's taken over. And this is their vegetable spring roll. So and their homemade peanut sauce. I will dig in. I am on a live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Liz OC, but this is going to be my review for my food channel, What's Cooking with Liz OC. And there's a sauce. All right, I'm going to try this. Very good. The peanut sauce is really good. Very good. Fresh and healthy. And so there is a crunchy thing, which I don't know. We'll find out what it is. I'll take a bite. Okay. All right. Here's my soup. My pho. It's with minced pork, I believe, and then shrimp. It comes with squid, but I said I don't eat squid anyway, so they don't need to put that in. It says mussels, but they're out of mussels, so we got shrimp. Looks good. Good amount of noodles. Very good. What is that? We have some kind of, it must be an egg. Ooh, lots of good shrimp in there. Okay, I'm gonna dig in. All right, I'm gonna try first get some noodles. Very flavorful. The broth is like flavored up the noodles. Very good. Wow. Good amount of seasoning. Shrimp. Piece of shrimp here. Take your bite. Yum. I lost the belly. They do have small egg, maybe quail. I can do that. I did try the quail egg off camera, and it was delicious, actually. My first time trying quail egg, and it was fresh, creamy, almost like texture, and it was good, yeah. So I tried quail egg here. And then there's minced pork in here, cilantro. So the broth is really good. Put this over. Closer to me. Bite. Well, you're in the annex area on Bloor Street West and Bathurst. Come on into Nang Saigon. Nang Saigon, right?
Saigon.
Make sure you come to Nang Saigon for Vietnamese food. Take a bite. Okay. From here, take your bite. Yum. Take your bite. Wow. Take your bite. Another one from Yip's Kitchen. Chinese food in St. Lawrence Market. Yum, yum, yum.